SSCTV. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like my live. Ayan. Thank you guys for supporting Progression TV and also please share also my live, okay? Thank you Anita Home Kitchen. Thank you for the like. We have a 4 viewers here. Hello sister. How are you? How are you? Namaste, namaste. I'm fine. How about you? Anita Home Kitchen. Hello. How are you? Also, hi. Thank you for supporting me. I get already the 14,000 subscriber. So to those who want join me, oh why you are crying? What is your problem? Why you are crying? Freddy goes sir no English, I'm Hindi. Ah, okay. So you don't know how to English, right? Freddy, Jangoti, shut up. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like my live, guys. Like. It's okay, it's okay. Maybe you understand my English, Ma'am Anita Home Kitchen. Meh? Oh, don't cry, okay? And also, I don't know how to speak Indian, but I know how to speak English. So please understand me if I'm speaking English, okay? So don't crying, Mom Anita Home Kitchen. How about your Freddy Dangote? Hello, shout out. Thank you so much. Are you done to like my live? Freddy Dangote. Hello. Shout out. Shout out Anita. Shout out. Shout out Fred. Shout out SSTV. Shout out. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to like my live. Please like my live, guys. Thank you very much for supporting Progression TV. Kumusta? Ayan, mabuti naman po, Fred. Salamat. Hello. Palike naman po ng aking channel at please new friend join. Okay, Anita. Guys, please join. Anita Home, please watch my you are ending. No, what ending? No, I'm not already ending. Why, Mr. Fred? Where you came from, Mr. Fred? Where you came from? What is your country, Mr. Fred? Hello. Hi, shout out. You are ending not already. Can you join me here, Fred? You can click the button there. You can join me here and my live now. So just join me, Fred. Okay, Fred, join me. I'm from Africa, Kenya. Okay. Shout out from Africa. So you know how to speak English, Mr. Fred. You know that how to speak English. I don't know how can I add you here because I'm living the join where? Here in my live. You can join me here in my live because it's what is that? Thank you, 9 viewers. Thank you so much. So you from the Kenya, Africa. I'm already here, kaibigan. Okay, salamat. Thank you, kaibigan. Salamat, kaibigan. Thank you so much. Thank you, 10 viewers. Don't forget to like. Always like. Ayan. Who's not done to like me? So please like me. Thank you, kaibigan. Hi sis, hello, shout out. Si Haloka 369 vlog, shout out. Thank you so much for coming sis. Can you please like, mahal kita, okay, I love you too. Mahal kita also. Canada, wow, shout out from Canada. Please connect to si Haloka. Please connect to si Haloka 369 vlog. Hello. Support, thank you so much.